In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel language. We'll walk through how to update the language used in Microsoft Excel, including the language for the menus and interface, and also the language used for typing, spelling, and proofing. These two settings are related, but they do different things, so it's helpful to understand both. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, go to the File tab. From there, select Options. This will open the Excel Options window, where you can manage a wide range of settings for the program. Next, click on Language. This is where Excel lets you control both the display language and the authoring or proofing language. If your goal is to change the language used for menus, buttons, ribbon labels, and other interface elements in Office, look for the section called Office Display Language. In that section, select your preferred language. If the language you want is already listed, simply choose it and then click Set as Preferred. If the language is not listed, click Add a Language and install the one you need. After it appears in the list, select it and set it as preferred. Once that's done, click OK to save your changes. To make sure the new display language is applied correctly, restart Excel. After reopening the app, the interface should appear in the language you selected. If you also want to change the language used for typing tools, spelling checks, and grammar suggestions, go back to File, then Options, then Language again. This time, look under Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. Select the language you want to use, and then click Set as Preferred. After making that change, restart Excel once more. This ensures the authoring and proofing tools update properly and begin working in your selected language. One important thing to remember is that the display language and the authoring or proofing language can be set separately. The display language controls what you see in the Excel interface, such as menus and commands. The authoring and proofing language affects how Excel handles spell check, grammar tools, and typing-related support. That separation can actually be very useful. For example, you might prefer to keep the Excel interface in one language while using proofing tools in another. Excel allows you to do that so you can customize the experience based on how you work. And that's how to change the language in Excel. Once you know where the language settings are, it's a quick adjustment that can make the app much more comfortable to use.